Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you a super easy way to find subtitles for movies and shows directly through VLC Media Player. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tech tips and tricks. First, select the movie or show you want to watch and open it in VLC Media Player. Remember, to download subtitles, your computer needs to be connected to the internet. This is crucial, as VLC will use the internet to search for and download the correct subtitle file. Step 2. Now, to download subtitles, go to the top menu, click on View, and select VLsub. If you don't see VLsub in your menu, don't worry. Step 3. Now, click on Search by Name in the VLsub window. VLC will automatically start searching for subtitle files that match your video's title. It's best to select a subtitle that matches the format of your movie. For example, if your movie is in Blu-ray format, look for subtitles that are marked as Blu-ray. Step 4. Once you find a matching subtitle, click on it to select, then hit Download Selection. VLC will download and load the subtitle for you in just a few seconds. You'll see a Subtitles Loaded message in the corner, letting you know the file has been applied to your video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.